Hello everyone, following the last lecture, we will learn about how to dockerize for Python project. Okay, let's get started. We provide how to dockerize the simple Python application. Before getting started, Python 3 and Docker need to be installed in advance. First of all, we have to generate a Python script file. Type touch main.py to create a file. And next, write the sample code like this. This code is very simple. It prints a string hello world when it executed. After writing the code, test the code with Python command. Then you can see the result. From now on, we will start the dockerize process. First of all, we should create a Docker file. As we learned about Docker file in the last lecture, a Docker file is a text document that contains all the commands a user could call on the command line to assemble an image. Using touch command, create a Docker file. And next, open Dockerfile and edit the file like this. From Python 3, add main.py to root, and command python main.py is execute main.py application. And next, build your own Docker image by run docker build command. This command refers to the Docker file we made before. It will take some time, depends on the project. If the image created successfully, check the Docker image using docker images command. You can find an image on the list. Now run the dockerized application using docker run command. This command will run the Docker container, which starts with the generated Docker image. You can see the hello world printed on a console. It runs on a Docker container. In this lecture, we have learned about how to dockerize for Python project. Thank you for listening. See you next lecture.